Got a broke clock, rolling.
Respawn! 4! Get in the respawn!
I'm supposed to be locked up too. You escape, but I escape. You fantasy fucked up too. That shit fade. Not leave for like 6 days. Role models, soul models, still an ace on my sick days. Also, her bitch behave. Just might let me gay. Shot town, B-Roll, moving next, BK. Also, her motherfuckers wanna find me. That shit crack. That shit crack. That shit crack. Also, her motherfuckers wanna find me. That shit crack. That shit crack. That shit crack. She said, baby, we get married at the mall. I said, I need to call for you, Bob. Come and meet me in the bathroom side. And show me why you deserve to have it all.
Ah, Ricochet.
That shit crack. That shit crack. Ain't it, Jay? What she order? What she order? It's filet. Yo, it's so cold.
Give us first!
Like you never be around motherfuckers like this for gang. Girl, grab her hand. Look that bitch, he don't wanna dance. He's my prince, but I'm his friend. I'm just saying, Prince Williams ain't do it right if you ask me. Cause I was him, I would've married J.A. Ash. Was my nigga? Was Lily my killer? Was Slugs my dealer? Was that jacket my chiller? Not to say I'm the illest, cause I'm suffering from realness. Got my niggas embarrassed, and they going gorillas.
No one knows.
Give us space! Give us space! Halfway there! Back up! Back up!
Don't let me get in my zone. The stars in the building, they hands to the ceiling. I know I'm about to kill it. How you know I got that feeling? You are now watching the throne. Don't let me into my zone. Don't let me into my zone.
Diamonds are forever.